Today, I would like to share with you how to edit picture of oil painting style. First, we open Everlook to import the image. Select the smoothing function. My habit is now to turn the value of the smoothing function to the maximum. A good skin smoothing effect is to still keep the original skin texture, and this function of Everlook can meet my needs very well. Then the next step, we turn on the relight function. This function simulates sunlight exposure. I want to make this woman's face stand out in the picture. Let's have a look at some of the figures in the images. We can see that there's very strong light towards these figures' faces. In this way, they look more vivid and 3D. I often get inspiration of editing pictures from oil paintings. Okay, next we select the shadow function to brighten up the darker parts of the background. Select the color vibrance function to retouch the area of the figure in this picture, to bring the figure alive and to make her more lovely. The next step, we choose the tattoo feature. I choose the flowers which I like the best, put the flower on the shoulder of the figure, then we do some adjustments. This is how it looks like when you edit the image in Everlook. Next, we use Snapseed to edit the picture. Choose the ambience. Turn it to the lowest, and adjust the highlight to brighten the figure. And use warmth to make the picture look warmer. We choose Glamour Glow, then the second one. At the same time, to reduce saturation. Let's use warmth again to make it a little bit colder. So here's the next step. We use the curve function of color blending. Many of the oil paintings are in warm colors, so we use the curve to make the picture a little bit warmer. We see the curve function is more complex. If you want to know more about how to use this function, let me know in the comments below. I will make another video of this function next time of how to use curve function for color blending. Then increase the value of the ambience function and raise the brightness a little bit. Add a little contrast. Finally, add a little highlight to make the figure stand out. Use structural functions to soften the background. We turn to History, select the brush pen to save the edition. Notice that we only keep the editions except the figure, to make the figure more prominent in the background. In the end, we sharpen the full image using the sharpening function. This is the effect before and after editing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.